So loved and so held as a group of like-minded groovy people like you guys. So, so basically, what Debbie said, and I want to bring up, and Debbie came up with the name too because she thought that that's how she felt before she publicly sang. These people were afraid to sing in front of people, didn't think they could sing, had never sung, and I've been amazed about how they sound. And I want you to sing along at any time you can, okay? Because, in fact, the first one, they wanted to sing with a rock star, so we're going to do a track to Neil Diamond. So it's something you know. It's something that I think everybody can sing and feel comfortable with. But mostly, they're going to feel comfortable with your love. So give it up for the Fraidy Cats.
David Jessup from Bristol, UK. It's David Jessup from Bristol, UK.
That's me. Playing tech guy.
No heckling. Perfect. Making sure everybody gets set. Just don't forget the one.
Maybe just a little bit. No, that way. You.
We're herding the cats right now.
You're not going to screw. All right, everybody ready? Yeah, ready. We have showbiz jitters. We're ready. Okay, everybody's standing back.
Yeah, we got it.
Stay moving. Okay.
How's that? You're good.
All right, roll.
You can't be afraid this crowd.
Ready? Yes, we're ready.
so good.
It's far back.
Excuse me.
I was trying to make sure that no one chickened out, and the only way I could do that is get a ringer.
Oh no. Oh yeah. What's that? Don't embarrass us, Tom.
This is a dream come true for me. I never thought I'd have the courage to do this in front of strangers. You're not strangers. You're just strange. Since I want a Tony boy, don't want no candy, don't need no toy. I took the stick and an old coffee can, I put on the thing, till I got blisters on my hand. I don't want to work, I want to bang on the drum all day. Yes, I do. I don't want to play, just want to bang on the drum all day. Bang, bang, bang. When I'm older, they think I'm a fool. The teacher told me I should stay after school. She called me pounding on the desk with my hands, but my lips were so hot, I made the teacher wanna dance. But I don't wanna work. I want to bang, 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 bang on that drum all day. I don't wanna play, just want to bang on the drum. We gotta bang now, here we go. Boys, let's wrap it up now. Here we go. Just want to bang on the drum all day. On the drum all day. I don't want to play. Just want to bang on the drum all day. All right, boys, let's wrap it up now. Here we go.
The drum all day. Don't wanna work, just wanna bang on the drum all day.
Sit down.
Drum all day.
Thank you. We'll be on tour for the rest of the month. Look for us in a town near you.